Hello friends, it's Natalia and welcome back to She Makes 31. In today's video, I am decorating my kitchen for Christmas and I'm so excited. I have a couple of DIYs to show you. I went with a gingerbread theme this year and man, I just love the way it turned out and I can't wait for you guys to watch. So before I got started, I wanted to install some LED lights underneath my kitchen cabinets. I'll link them in the description box. They made such a huge difference. I'm able to see my counters so much better now and display my decor. I picked up a couple of little wood houses from the Target Bullseye section and they were only $5. It was $5 for this set of 2 and $5 for the set of smaller houses. And so I got these. I thought they were so cute, and I also got some puffy paint that you can get at Walmart or any craft store, and I had this also on hand. It's some home decor wax in an antique brown finish and some white sparkly glitter. So with my foam brush I went ahead and applied the wax. You could use stain, but I like the fact that with wax you don't have to seal it afterwards, you just buff it out a little bit. But you just apply a very thin coat of this and you want to go with the direction of the grain of the wood. Thankfully the wax does dry quickly, so within 10 to 15 minutes I was ready to use my puffy paint to make the little designs on each house. You want to work in small sections and put some glitter on after each little section that you do. I got my inspiration for these houses from some of the houses that they had last year at the Target Bullseye section. Unfortunately, they did not have them this year, but when I saw these plain little houses, I thought they were so cute and I would just be able to make them my own for a lot less money than it would cost to buy a whole gingerbread village, which could be very pricey. You could use a paint marker if you wanted to, but I like the puffy paint because if you're making a mistake, you can wipe it right off and it gives dimension and you're able to put some glitter on top that sticks to it. So I was so happy with the way these turned out. Another added benefit to these houses is that they're double-sided, so after you're done using them for Christmas, you could actually use them the plain way and still have decor for many other months to come.
Jingle bells ringing in my ear. Jingle bell, a sound that's
If you're enjoying this video, I would love for you to give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't already done so, hit that subscribe button and the little bell notification button so that you get notified every time I post a new video. I've been making a lot of plans for Christmas and have lots of decorating coming up ahead, so make sure that you don't miss it. You want to allow your houses to dry for about 4 hours, and then after that I went ahead with my foam brush and just took off the excess glitter. Alright, so this is all of them all dried up, and guys, I am obsessed with them. I think they are so adorable, and I can't believe that I only paid 10 bucks for this whole entire thing. Everything else I already had on hand, and it's just so cute and it's so unique, and you could personalize it. You know, if you wanted to add color to it, you could, candy, anything like that. Alright, so next I'm moving on to my window in my kitchen. I combined these two garlands because they were actually pretty sparse by themselves, and I didn't see that when I bought them, but combining these gave it a perfect like fullness that I wanted. I used some command hooks that I put in about an hour before I was ready to hang it, and then added some lights, and then put up this little sign from Hobby Lobby, "You can't catch me." I thought it's so adorable, little gingerbread guy. Next, I went ahead and added my ornaments to this garland. I did a lot of little gingerbread houses, and I also did some little baking, like rolling pins and a whisk, and some little recipe cards. I got those at the Target Bullseye section, but did that, and also some little Dollar Tree red balls. This sign here is also from Hobby Lobby, and guys, I jumped in with both feet with this whole gingerbread man theme. I just love it. I think it's adorable, and it's just perfect for the kitchen because you do lots of baking. This sign here on the bottom is from Kirkland's, and the gingerbread street sign is from Hobby Lobby. So the next day I decided to do the top of my cabinets here. I had some garland that I've been using for a few years now, and this is where I'm going to set up my little village. So I went ahead and put this garland up, and also added some more lights up at the top, and I placed all of my little gingerbread houses on top, and I did cut myself, and I was like so scared now looking back at this video. I was so close to hitting my head on that ceiling fan. I don't know how I didn't, but yeah, watch out for those guys.
Riding along, just singing a song, barreling through the snow. Bells are jingling, snowflakes tingling, Rudolph knows where to go. On this cold December day, I am piloting my sleigh. The work to be done on my Christmas run is the most tired chore. No girl or boy without a toy, so giddy up, Rudolph, my dear. 8 pair of antlers, onwards ever go. Dasher and Prancer, moving through the snow.
I added this little milk and cookie company sign, which was like perfect with the theme. I also had a fresh milk jug, glass jug, to put right next to it. And next I'm moving on to my kitchen cabinets. For the past couple of years, I've been hanging some of these little mini wreaths that I get from the Target Bullseye section and putting them on my cabinets. I think they just add such a cute little Christmassy look. One of the ways that I keep the ribbon from twisting is by using a little safety pin and command hooks. You guys know I'm a fan of command products, so I went ahead and installed them on the back here, but upside down, and then I hang the little safety clip off of the command hook. So I added this strip of red ribbon that I had left over from last year because I felt like they weren't popping enough. So adding this little wired ribbon just gave it the look that I was going for, added that little touch of red.
Good start. I hear those jingle bells, people singing about love. It feels like I'm a kid.
I love that I have these little shelves here on top of my microwave over my stove. I think they're so much fun to decorate, and so I went with a little, again, cookies and baking theme. I did a Santa's cookies and milk in the middle, and then added a little Mrs. Claus Baking Company sign along with some little houses. All of this stuff here is from the Target Bullseye section and from Walmart, so I didn't spend too much money here.
Making small talk with people that pass me by. I share a laugh, it gives me joy that everyone's having a good time.
Alright, so moving on, I'm doing a DIY glass snowy scene. I have this glass jar that I got from Walmart and some frosty snow also from Walmart. You can use basically any clear glass jar. I just love the size of this one. I also use this for my laundry detergent, but I had an extra one. So I went ahead and got some of the buffalo snow and these little twinkle fairy lights from Dollar Tree. And then I also got some more of the ceramic little Christmas trees from the Bullseye section. Those were $3 a piece. I thought the colors were so beautiful and just wanted that little snow globe effect.
It's the time of year, my winter wonderland, my winter wonderland. I wanna sing about the Christmas on its way. A reason to hang around and celebrate this day. Everyone's smiling and it's snowing.
I thought the North Pole sign was cute, but then I remembered that I had this other little glass tree that is clear, so I wanted to incorporate that in there, and I just ended up stuffing one of the little lights inside the tree, and it just looks so pretty.
My winter wonderland.
I wanted to conceal my outlets, so I got these little trees that are also from the Target Bullseye to put next to the snowy scene. And I went ahead and got some soap from Bath and Body Works, and I'm going to be using that for our entire house, and also some Mrs. Meyer's peppermint cleaner. I just love the way this smells, so Christmassy. And here I'm putting in some of these little snowy globe lights from Target Bullseye section. They had them last year and they sold out so quickly, but they brought them back this year, and I know that they also have them at Hobby Lobby.
And I'm not there. I don't know what he want now.
I'm planning on setting up a hot cocoa bar, but that will be in my next video. So for now, I just grabbed this little tiered tray and put a couple things on it. I put this hot cocoa towel over my little blanket ladder and this oh snap mug from Target as well. Next, I moved on to my tiered tray. These were the little gingerbread houses that I was talking about that I got last year. And so they came in 3 different designs, which is perfect because I have 3 tiers. And I have these little 3 mini snowmen and 3 little cloches, all like small, medium, and large. So I thought it was perfect because I like to do that with my tiered tray, just kind of have things that tie in together but are still a little bit different. With the cloches, you can put different things in them, different colors. Like in one, I put red berries. In another, I put a little white bottle brush tree. And in another, I put little cotton balls. So there, you could just play around with it. It took me a while. I also got these little measuring cups from Hobby Lobby. And I used the cardboard that they packed them with to kind of put them in between each cup, and that way it gave it more dimension and height, and you could see all the cups that way. But yeah, it's a process with doing the tiered trays, and it's a lot of fun. I went ahead and put on these kitchen towels that I got at Target, and yes guys, I ironed them. Am I the only weirdo that does that? I just think they look so much better when they're not wrinkled. So I give them a quick press. And here I'm lighting up my Frozen Lake candle from Bath and Body Works. I got this Christmas cookie cookbook from Target. I'll link it in the description box. And I just thought it would be so much fun to just put it here on my little stand, because I do plan to just bake a lot this season. Being at home more, I know the boys are gonna really love that. Alright guys, here is the final look. Let me know what you think.
Feeling alone, kinda misty, waiting now for you to come. It's cold again, but I know we'll be warm, sitting by the fire and dream. Tell me again with a whisper, little things that I wanna hear, and the stars up above are smiling when they see you holding me so near. I see snowflakes on the chimneys, and the candles have a certain glow, a secret and a song, even church bells sing along, and the children making angels in the snow. Oh, what a gift to be given. How lucky can this old heart be? And I fall into peace and silence on a very special Christmas Eve. Tell me again with a whisper, little things that I wanna hear, and the stars up above, they are shining with love, listening to this song playing on, listening to this song playing on.
Alright guys, I hope that you enjoyed this video. Stay tuned because I will have more coming very soon. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!